In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn on developer mode on Android. So first of all, launch open settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Simply scroll down. Find this option for about phone that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the phone informations over here. Right over here, see if you can find the option for build number. If you cannot see the option for build number over here, you should be able to find the option for version. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your build number over here. So if you want to enable the developer mode, what you have to do is tap on the build number at least 7 times. Now you can see over here, now the developer mode has been enabled. Now if you go back and tap on this option system, you'll be able to find this option for developer options over here. So like this, you'll be able to enable the developer mode. So that is how you enable developer mode on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.